One of the worst habits a trader can have is having to micromanage every single trade they run every 5 minutes for absolutely no reason at all. And this causes them to overstress about trading and have a bad view about trading as they're constantly anxious and overstressed with trading and their positions. And I'll be explaining what I mean by that and what is micromanaging. So let's say I have a short position on my hourly chart right here, and usually when you are trading on higher time frames, it takes longer for the trade to actually resolve. So let's say, for example, I take a short position right here and targeting a previous low. This would actually take a good long while, so a good few hours, up to maybe a day, for this trade to resolve. And this means that if you're micromanaging this trade every 5 minutes, you're wasting your time and for about a day and overstressing about a day. And every time the price moves up, it might cause you to overthink this and cause you to be anxious about this and question your decisions or if you want to close the trade or not. And usually this causes you to make some bad decisions that usually are unnecessary and will make you lose money. And on top of that, you're going to be anxious for the entire day for as long as you have this position for no reason at all. So you shouldn't be doing that unless you are scalping and you have to make quick decisions. If you're trading on higher time frames, why are you micromanaging and constantly looking at your charts? You don't need to do that. Just take a break, you place your trade. You don't have to do anything else about the trade, and have a look at it maybe every few good hours, and don't waste your time constantly overlooking at this position for absolutely no reason. So don't micromanage your trades. It's unnecessary and a very unhealthy habit for you, both on your mental health but also for your results of your trade. Because let's say you see price moving to the other side of your trade, so you can see after a few bull candles right here, you might be getting anxious and thinking of closing the trade because you may be thinking that you are on to a reversal. And this might cause you to lose the trade because obviously you can see that eventually this trade was a profitable one. And if you were to close it around this area right here, you'll have lost half the amount of money that you will have gained. So this is probably one of the worst habits to have as a trader. So I will advise you not to be micromanaging everything. And I know you are excited about the trade and you're worried, but you need to control this and it will definitely help you in the long run. And I was doing that as a beginner. So once I was able to stop micromanaging my trades, I was able to free my mind and be stress free and be able to keep trades for longer because I wasn't being anxious all the time of the direction of where the trade was going. So having to micromanage is one of the most toxic things to be doing. So please don't do it. And yeah, this is all I had to say about this video. Don't micromanage and stay stress free. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good rest of your day and goodbye.